Okay, so today is Monday, and because I work 7 days a week, so I took a walk to this park, and this is what I'm wearing. Had to do a twirl in it. That's about it. And my hair always has some great movement after a good shampoo. Gonna be going soon. And my walking shoes. I love covered bridges. I love quaint towns. And this covered bridge is in a beautiful, quaint town in this big, beautiful park. What I love about these parks is it's not the kind of park where you see a lot of people. Someone said to me on Saturday or Friday, they like going places where a lot of people are so they can meet someone. And that was my aha moment. That was when I realized why I'm single. Because I come to places like these by myself. And most times you see someone, they are booed up. So I'm just out here living my best life all by myself. People are fishing and living their best life. But I'm out here all by my lonesome. Well, lonesome meaning I'm not booed up with anyone. So yeah, that's where I am. So I came for the covered bridge. I saw, I conquered, and now I'm going home. And another day, I'll visit somewhere else. The water is raging. I need to catch it. Hang on. Let's catch a little of the movement of the water, because the movement of water is one of the things that brings me the greatest joy. The movement of the leaves on the tree is also something else that brings me pure joy. It doesn't cost a thing.